Hello guys, in this tutorial we will discuss about Python if statement. So here we have marks equal to 95, and if marks greater than equal to 90, then print you will get a laptop, else print thanks. So here we have 95, so the value is greater than 90. So when I run code, we will get the answer, you will get a laptop. And the next example is mark equal to 80. The previous example is the marks is equal to 95, and here we have marks equal to 80. If marks greater than equal to 90, print pass, else fail. When I run code, fail because the value is less than 90. So let's go to PyCharm. Here first I will type here mark equal to 90. If marks greater than equal to 90, no, we will type here 95, and here I will type here 90. Print you will get a laptop, else we will use colon and then print thanks. When I go to run code, here we have the answer, you will get a laptop. So the next example is here I will type here 80. If marks equal to 80, if marks greater than equal to 90, print pass, else print fail. So when I go to run code, so here we have fail because the value is less than 90. So the next question is Python if else statements. Here for example num equal to int, then inside parentheses input enter a number. What does it mean? When I run code, it will show us enter a number, then we type here 10 or whatever we want to type here, and then it will give us the result. So after if number greater than if number greater than 0 colon, then print positive number, else negative number. When I run code, enter a number. For example, if I type here 10, then positive, it gives us positive number. Let's go to PyCharm and then type here, and then if number greater than 0, and then print positive, else print negative. Negative. So when I run code, so here I will type here for example 10 or whatever you want, so it give us positive number. So if I will type here example -20, so it gives us negative number. And Python nested if statement, number equal to 5, the outer if statement is if number greater than equal to 0, and inner if statement is if number equal to 0, print number is 0, else print number is positive. When I run code, number is positive. When I go to PyCharm, here I have statement number equal to 5, definitely it give us positive number because true value. So when I run code, so here the number is positive. The next question is Python for loop. For example, student equal to, here we have a list here, because here we type here a for loop is used for iteration over a sequence that is either a list, a tuple, a dictionary, a set, or a string. So when I type here student equal to Louis, John, David, so when I run code, it gives us Louis, John, and David. And the next example is string, loop through a string. Here we have language equal to inside quotation mark Python for x in language, then print x. So when I run code, I got this answer. And for loop with Python range I equal to 3, I equal to 0 to I equal to 3, for I in range 4, then print I. When I run code 0, 1, 2, 3, we got the answer. So when I go to PyCharms, so here I will type here students equal to Louis, John, David, so for S in students, then print S. So when I run code, I got the answer Louis, John, and David. So similarly, the next question is the next question is loop through a string. So how can we do this? We use here language equal Python for x in language, and then print x. When I run code, so here we have the answers here, Python, Python. So the next is iterations. For example, for I in range 4, print I. When I run code, so here we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the range is very easy. If you will type here 1, 4, then it will start from 1. If you will type here 2, 4, it will start from 2, but the 4 value, for example, here we have 4. So I got the answer 0, 1, 2, 3. The 4 will not be included. So this is how we can create a range functions.